how to fix your Uber Eats not working correctly. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're also facing some kind of issue or you are simply unable to join or log into your Uber Eats application, so in that case what you want to do is just head over to your Play Store and simply search in for the Uber Eats application itself, because some bugs due to lack of update might be causing such issues. So just make sure you have updated the application to its latest version, and as you can see for my case it's already updated to its latest version. And if it's still not working for you, then just make sure you are connected to the strong Wi-Fi network and your app is up to date. So another thing what you can also do is just head over to your device's settings, and once you're inside here, just locate the application section and simply search in for Uber Eats application and just select it, and just scroll down and click on the storage option. So we can actually clear all the cache from over here and try restarting your application, and it should work correctly. So that is it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.